Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Today, just a quick update on the things that were released. Released a couple of interesting things today. First off, is our quick activity filter. So, activity filter to us is when the volume to open interest rate ratio is greater than one. We are extending that next week to include pre-market movers in stock and option price. So, our algorithms do predict option price movement during the day and pre-market, and we'll start to expose that, but we'll have that out next week. So if you want to see unusual activity, option activity, just click on activity. It'll show you all the ones that have unusual activity. It'll be sequenced by or ordered by volume to open interest rate. You can see KLA has a lot of unusual option activity. The next thing we've done is we've made some verbiage changes. Specifically around our statuses to make it a little more easier to understand. So active means it's an active trade. It's good to go. It has the right amount of gain available for you. Sold means it's been sold, or you should sell it if you have it because it achieves its targeted gain. Next is caution. Caution means there's high volatility swings happening with this stock up or down, or the gain is close to our predicted gain. So there's not a lot of room to get in and out of that trade at a profit. So that's why that's caution. Again, to summarize, caution is high volatility in both directions within a given day. The other is, again, not a lot of room to make a profit on it. So let's look at the next change, which is sold. So in sold, we clarified some of the terminologies and split it up a little bit. So now there's two sections. There's buy details and there's sell details. So in the sell details, you'll see when it was bought, what's the buy price, and what's the target sell price. And then you'll see the sold details or the sell details. So it was sold yesterday at this price. And then it has the action related to it. And then underneath that, we have the original buy details. Just a quick note, we're going to move this status of sold, which has a hover explaining it, over to the top of that. The other is, we believe, fingers crossed, we have text properly working. So please go into your preferences, make sure you re-enter your number, enable text alerts, and save. And we do believe texts are working now. So fingers crossed on that, and apologize greatly for all the issues with that. But when it comes to the volume of text we send out to alerts previously, we got flagged heavily by the carriers and have been working through that process. Again, apologize. If this doesn't work, we will take a next step, which means we'll essentially collect all of your carrier information, and instead of texting directly, we will send an email to your text. A little more convoluted process to do that, but at least that's more of a certainty getting you your text alerts. Again, apologize for that. We're diligently working through it. Again, as always, any questions, just hit us up at contact@prep2grow.com or through the chat bot. If not, happy trading.